Hello, educators. My name is Lauren Rata, and I'm one of the digital learning coaches here in Oldham County. Today, in this quick instructional technology YouTube video, I'm going to show you something fun. I'd like to show you how to make your own Google Classroom banners as well as Google Forms headers. Not only are these kind of fun for educators to make, but they're also helpful for students to be able to locate those files or classrooms quickly. So let me get you started. I have two templates for you that I'm going to show you and model how to use today, but also I'm going to put the links to these to force a copy to you here within the description of the video. So be sure you go to the description to find these. So the first one is the Google Form banner template. The directions are here for you so that you know exactly what to do. When you click on this link in the description of the video, it's going to force a copy to your drive so that you always have it. So be sure to click on that. Also the same for the Google Classroom one. So here within this Google, this is actually Google Drawings, which is another great resource. It shows you exactly what to do. So it's letting you know it's already set for the correct pixels and dimensions. So all you have to do now is if you want to make a copy for yourself to keep when your drive, to use every time, go ahead and use that file, make a copy button. If not, if you're ready to get started designing, all you have to do is click here to get rid of these directions and you will actually use this Google drawing. So I'm going to take that off and really quickly show you how to do this. So I always recommend you can two-finger click and change that background so you can find a color really quickly. And let's say, so I've got a color. Let's say maybe I want to insert, this is for maybe my Google Classroom first. I'm on Google Forms. So let's do a quick Google Form banner. So let's say I have an assessment. I'm going to add a photo. Maybe I'm doing chemistry. So I'm going to do maybe some beaker clip art. Maybe it's a final and I want to make the top of that banner look a little bit more engaging for my students. So I can find a photo if I want. You can add text boxes, shapes, bitmojis, anything you want to add here on top of this banner template. So I have that. Maybe I want to insert some word art. So I'm going to go under word art and just call this chemistry final exam, nothing fancy. And I can move that around. As you can see, it's super easy to do and use. I can, while I'm clicked on it, use that paint bucket. There we go. And so let's say I'm finished. I've made my banner and I'm ready to go ahead and save it so that I can import it into Google Forms and have that custom banner on top. So all I have to do is go to the File button. And I'm going to download it as, you can either do JPEG image or PNG, either one. And when I click on that, I'm on my Chromebook. So it saved it automatically to my drive for me. You can also save it to a computer, doing the same thing, whether it's the background of your desktop or on a flash drive, anything works. So just make sure you save it. So now I'm ready to go into my form. So I have a test form already open. So all I have to do is click on this paint palette to customize my theme. Click choose image. Since I'm on a Chromebook, I'm going to go down. So these are the basic ones that Google has already loaded for you. If you go down to upload photos and click select a photo, it's going to allow you to find what you just saved in your drive, or you could also find on your computer that same file. Sorry, I have a lot going on here. So let's see. And let me get to my drive and find it. There it is. Here's another one. Just going to pick any of these really quick for time. So here's that. There we go. Test form. So it's uploading it. It's going to ask you to go ahead and drag and drop those corners to get the exact desired size you want. So I'm going to click in. There we go. Perfect. And then after you get the desired area, you click select. And after you click that select, it'll upload it. And you'll notice, voila, it's now the banner up top of your form for you. So that's how you get the custom banner within Google Forms. The next one I want to show you is getting the actual, it's called a header on top of your Google Classroom. Something also fun to customize to help students quickly know which classroom they're supposed to be clicking on. And so this is very similar. The actual header template, it's called a header instead of the Google Form banner, but it works the same way. And so you can make a copy if you want. You can delete this text box and then you can get started. So I can customize the background if I want to. Let's say I am teaching Let's see, maybe English. Maybe I want to put my Bitmoji. Maybe I want to be waving in this one. Here's my Bitmoji. Oh, there we go. I'm going to copy my Bitmoji if I want, since this is me greeting them at the top of my Google Classroom. I can also insert text box shaped images, anything I want to, but maybe I want to do word art. And I want to call this Welcome to English 101. Push enter and get that word art in there. Okay, I can change the color, outline, do all of those fun things. And then when I'm ready, it works the same way. File, download that JPEG image. As you can see, it downloaded to my drive because I'm on a Chromebook, but yet again, it works the same way if you download it onto your computer to upload it. So now I'm ready to go to a Google Classroom. So let's say this is the classroom, and instead of this, just the plain basic template that they gave me, maybe I want to upload my own photo. So we talked about that. So now that I already have that, when I click here and click select photo, I can find my drive, and I should be able to find that custom banner. There we go. That Welcome to English 101. And it's very similar in this way. When they upload it, you do have to select the desired area as well. So once I do that and I click select class theme, it will now make my banner that custom Google drawing that I created. So it's just another fun way to customize your Google Classroom. I hope you enjoyed this very brief recording. Just to recap, today we talked about the two templates, the Google Form banner template to make sure those assessments are engaging, but then also the Google Classroom header template. If you have questions or you want these, remember to go under the description in this video to find those links to force those copies of the templates to your actual drive. Thank you all so much for watching this, and let me know if you have any questions.